Hello students, in the present video we will discuss physics class 11th kinetic theory of gases, and here are four topics as you can see on the board. First is what are gas, what is a gas, what are gases. ये किसी मैटर की एक ऐसी स्टेट है जब हम उस मैटर को इजीली कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं एंड सेपरेशन बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स इज वेरी लार्ज, एटम्स के बीच का मॉलिक्यूल का, एंड नो डेफिनेट शेप साइज. तो ऐसी स्टेट का नाम हमने रखा हुआ गैसेस. गैस डिफरेंट स्टेट है सॉलिड लिक्विड से, इसलिए कुछ स्टेट के लिए लॉ बनाए गए हैं. बॉयल्स लॉ, एज यू कैन सी नो बेटर, इफ टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट प्रेशर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम. चार्ल्स लॉ, if pressure constant volume directly proportional to temperature, and Gay-Lussac law, if volume remains constant then pressure is directly proportional to temperature. These are the equations. What is perfect gas equation and what is perfect gas? एक ऐसी गैस जो इमेजिनरी है जिसको हम आइडियल गैस भी बोलते हैं, which always follows the gaseous law. So always what is the condition of pressure and volume and expansion of volume coefficient and coefficient of pressure expansion, both are equal 1/273 per degree Celsius. Volume of molecules is zero compared to the distance between molecules or the size of the gas. तो molecules का volume क्या होता है? जीरो. Force between molecules is zero approx. This is the ideal gas, and equation for ideal gas is PV is equal to nRT. What is N and R here? P is pressure, V volume, T temperature. N is the number of moles. कितने moles आपने गैस लिए? 2 mole, 1 mole. And what is R? R is the universal gas constant. This is universal gas constant. It remains same for all the gases. And its numerical value is 8.31 joule per mole Kelvin. Now, what is gas and what is kinetic theory? Because continuously molecules of gas are in motion, so we named it kinetic. And what are the theory? There are some assumptions for the gases. What? The molecules of a gas are same, identical, rigid, spherical and elastic. सभी molecules ऐसे होते हैं. Second is the size of molecules is negligible compared to the distance or separation between molecules. And molecules do random motion in all directions which are possible. Force between molecules is negligible, but when they come closer, it is attraction when come close. And when molecules are very very close, what happens? Then due to distribution of charge, they go away due to repulsion. So this phenomenon is called collision. कि भाई collision हुआ between molecules, and collision between molecules is perfectly elastic because size is negligible. So friction on molecules is negligible. Time of collision means collision में लगा हुआ time negligible होता है compared to the time taken between two successive collision. जो mean free path है collision से अगले collision तक, जो mean free path है, mean free path को cover करने में जो time लगा उसके compare में collision का time negligible होता है. और molecules पे gravity का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है बिकॉज किसी भी, एज यू कैन सी देयर बेस्ट एग्जांपल आर इन योर किचन, आपके किचन में है जो एलपीजी गैस सिलेंडर, उसमें गैस ऊपर से निकलती है. इफ देयर इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेविटी तो कहां जाते हैं? बॉटम पे बैठ जाते. सो नो इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑन मॉलिक्यूल्स इज नेग्लिजिबल. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज रेगुलर इन ए वेसल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.